Hey guys, we got a Volvo XC60 2013 semi-smart key. We're trying to add a key here. We tried doing this via OBD, didn't work out. The Autel machine asked me, the IM608 basically asked me to pull the KVM, solder into the KVM, which is located back there. Solder into the KVM, read the info I need or the data I need, and then it took 8 hours to decrypt the SEM module, the CM module, which is located behind the glove box here compartment. And I left it overnight, and now I'm back to see if it's gonna work out. I'm gonna go to Volvo, try automatic selection, read. It's freezing today here in Indianapolis. And it's a semi-smart key. Control system, semi-smart key, and add key. Okay. Press once. Okay. Select yes to use data loading. Select no to use OBD reading. No. Yes. Close all door. Insert learned key into the key slot. Turn the ignition on. Ignition is on. Okay. Off. Remove key. Okay. This is the key you want to add. It's an OEM key. Okay. Would you like to continue? Yes. And it's still not finished. No, it is finished. Decrypt. Succeed. Frequency of this key or fob is 902 megahertz. We gotta be careful picking up this key. I basically called the Volvo dealership, my local Volvo dealership, and asked for the frequency and the part number, FCC ID, so I could match it. There we go. Ignition turned on by itself. Right. Learning. Okay. We should probably put the key in the slot. Yes. Turn off ignition, remove key from the slot. Okay. I'll put the key in the slot. I'm learning. ignition off. Remove key. Okay. And here we go. Added key number 3. Let's try to start the vehicle. All good. Let's try this one. Our remote is not working, probably need a battery. But the key been added successfully. I'll replace the battery. I'm pretty sure the key is gonna work. That's all for today. Thank you all.